Hey, so I wanted to just share with you some information that I was told yesterday that I found was very interesting and yet disturbing at the same time. So, our washer recently broke, and we're in the market for a new washer, as well as in preparing for our kitchen remodel. We're going to be getting a new fridge. So if you don't know already, November and Black Friday is the best time to buy appliances. So if you're in the market for appliances, November for appliances, May for furniture. Just FYI, if you want to save some good money and get the best deal. So we figured may as well get our fridge now and get our washer at the same time. And sometimes if you buy more than one appliance, you can also get an extra discount. Anyhow, so I went to my trusty local furniture store that I typically buy all of our furniture from, and our salesman, he's worked there for, oh goodness, probably well over 20 years, and very experienced, very knowledgeable, and he's like family. So I went and spoke with him yesterday about both a washer and a fridge, and we went over some options. This is what I found very interesting. He informed me that 3 months ago, GE was bought out by China. And he said ever since that GE, he was saying specifically washers, but I'm thinking it probably applies to the fridges too. They're Wi-Fi enabled. Now, a lot of appliances and stuff these days you're seeing are Wi-Fi enabled, which why? I don't get that. Why do you need to have every device in your house connected to the internet? It's a fridge, it's a washer, it's a toaster, a microwave. Who cares? Why does it need to have internet access? That's the silliest thing ever. But here's the interesting part. He said the Wi-Fi, you have to connect, GE washers have to be connected to Wi-Fi in order to download the latest software. And he says if the washer ever stops working, people will find that their washer is not working, not doing what it's supposed to. They have to log in, update the software, and all of a sudden it starts working again. Why would a washer need internet and software? Like, this is crazy. But what was interesting, he said, is the GE appliances it's required. You have to have them synced to your Wi-Fi. They will not work and they will not function if they don't have Wi-Fi and the updated software. Why do you think that is? So they can monitor. Okay, and this is from him. He says they are monitoring, they meaning China, they're literally, because their software is in your washing machine synced to Wi-Fi, it's sending information to China. They're monitoring how often you're doing laundry, how much water you're using, how often you're using it. Why? And that was my thing. Okay, that was disturbing, but I was thinking, why do they care? Why do they possibly care how much laundry we do or how much water? And then my husband brought up a good point, because I was discussing it with him when we got home, and I thought, I mean, it's disturbing and it seems incredibly unnecessary. Unnecessary to have, first of all, internet synced up to a washing machine. And secondly, why would they care about the information of how much water we use, how often we're doing laundry and all that? And then my husband brought up a point. He says, well, think about it. What if they decide to allocate water? They start to ration water. Well, if they have access to how much water you're using, now they know if you have extra people staying at your house because you're going to be using more water, right? They now would know if they start rationing water, or they're saying, okay, no more. They could literally prevent you from doing laundry because it's their software. It's synced up and your machine only works with the software active and connected to Wi-Fi. How crazy is that? It's a washing machine. And it's like, that just blew me away. So we had this whole, and I'm not really a conspiracy theory person, and I don't get deep into stuff like that. I figure you take everything with a grain of salt, right? So that's all this is. This is just some interesting information that I learned that I'm sharing with others because it came from a reliable source, being someone in the furniture business who deals with appliances and knows all this information. And I did a search online for GE, and not a lot of conclusive information, but enough that it was disturbing to me that it led me to believe and validate what I was told. Even more so with how much China owns GE, and the appliance center is actually, China is over the appliances for GE. So anyhow, it was interesting. So do some research. But the other little tidbit he did say was that LG brands, they do have Wi-Fi ability. However, unlike GE, the Wi-Fi isn't required. So the washing machine, fridge, whatever, they will still work if you don't sync them up to Wi-Fi. So, and LG is based out of, or is owned by Korea, which, yeah, so just a little tidbit of information there. But he did, however, say, stay away from LG fridges. Right now, the fridges, LG fridges, they are not, they're having compressor issues, and he says they're not honoring their warranties and they're not fixing them. So if you're looking for an LG fridge, stay away from LG fridges right now. And personally, I will be staying away from GE washing machines, especially the Wi-Fi. I guess if it's not Wi-Fi enabled, it's probably fine. But if it has the Wi-Fi, run away. Run away, run away, run away. So there you have it. Some interesting information. Do with it what you will. But as for me and my house, we will be steering clear from the Wi-Fi enabled appliances. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more fun updates as we are constantly remodeling this farmhouse and doing lots of fun stuff with our freeze dryer and animals and puppies and all that little one that just came to my feet. Thanks. Have a great day.